Welcome back, students. In this class we continue Introduction to Geometry Chapter 11 Exercise 11.1. In this class we'll solve the question 6 which it was incomplete or it was the other method in the previous class. So I'll teach the correct method in this class. So ignore that problem and study this method. So what was the problem? If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So for this, just write on the triangle. So right angle triangle. So here A, B, C. Then first step, draw a right angled triangle ABC right angled at C. Now we'll take triangle ABC with reference to angle A. With reference to angle A, here base will be BC. Base will be, with reference to the angle A, base will be is equal to AC. Now triangle ABC with the reference to angle B. And this one more, hypotenuse will be AB for this one, angle A, and hypotenuse AB, and perpendicular will be BC. So now with reference to angle B, base will be BC. This one angle reference base will be BC, and hypotenuse will be AB, and perpendicular AC. Therefore, now what they have given in the question given is cos A is equal to cos B. So what is cos A? Here cos A will be base by hypotenuse. So first cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. So B by H. B by H. What is B here? Base is AC. AC by AB. So next for cos B, reference to angle, this formula will be same, base by hypotenuse. So what is base with reference to the angle B? We have written everything in detail here. So base substitute BC by, again hypotenuse is AB in both the cases. So therefore equate both. Therefore cos A is equal to cos B. So AC by, first cos A is AC by AB, cos B is equal to BC by AB, AB is common, then we get AC is equal to BC. Finally, when AC is equal to, since the sides are equal, since the side AC and BC, since the sides are equal and also angles are equal, so are equal, then just write angle B is equal to angle A. So this is the, therefore also equal, or you can say since both the sides and the angles are equal, then or sides are equal, and just write angle B is equal to angle A. This is the solution for the sixth problem. So follow this method. So now we move to the seventh one. Seventh question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. There are two sub questions and one more is cot square theta. So evaluate, they have given. So first what we have to do, we have to take this cot theta they have given. So we are here, we'll first find out cot theta. Before going into this part 1 and part 2 question, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is equal. So what is cot? That is base by perpendicular. So that is 7 by 8. So now we'll assume a variable, that is m. Assume m be any positive integer. M be any positive integer. So we'll take it as, now b is equal to, that is base is equal to 7 by 8, no, then 7m, include the variable this side, and p is equal to 8m. So where I have written that m is, assume m as any positive integer. So now we'll take a right angle triangle with the right angle at Q. So consider a right angled triangle PQR, right angled at Q, right, Q. Consider this one, let it be P, Q and R. This will be Q is right angle at Q. So in the right angle triangle, now we can write it as h square is equal to b square plus p square. Hypotenuse square is equal to b square plus perpendicular. Now we use Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So now after this we'll substitute the values for this one. So h square is equal to b square is 7m the square plus p, we have taken it as 8m the square. Therefore 7 square will be 49, then m square plus 8 will be 64, m square, add these two, we'll get 113 m square. So finally h square is equal to 113 m square. Then h is equal to root 113 m. Since side cannot be negative, so therefore we have to find out now sin theta. Sin theta is equal to h, we got it as, what is sin theta? That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now substitute for p. What is p? P is 8m and h is root 113 by m. Now cancel this m, we'll get 8 by root 113. Now cos theta we have to find out. Cos theta is equal to, what is cos theta? B by h, that is base by hypotenuse. Substitute what is base? 7m. Then h is root 113 by m. Cancel m, we get 7 by root 113. Therefore we got all the three values, that is base, perpendicular, hypotenuse and so now we'll continue. We'll take the first part of the question. So taking the first part of the question, that is 1 plus sin theta. First we have to evaluate and find out sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta minus 1 plus 1 minus cos theta. Therefore take this triangle, write down this and substitute the values. What are those? P, Q and, sorry, this is P, Q and this is R. What are the values we got? This theta 7m, 8m and this is root 113m. After this, take this one and this, evaluate this. Evaluating, we'll get 1 square, or simplify this, get 1 square by sin square theta and 1 square minus cos square theta. So that is by using which one? That is a plus b into a minus b. We can write it as a square minus b square. Evaluate this method. After this we have to substitute the values. 1 minus what is sin we got? Sin is 8 by root 113 we got. The square by 1 minus 7 by root 113 the square. Therefore now 1 by 64 by 113, 1 minus 49 by 113. Simplify this. 113 minus 64 by 113, 113 minus 49 by 113. This cancels. So finally 113 minus 64 is equal to 49. 113 minus 49 is 64. Finally we are getting 49 by 64. So this is the solution for the first part. Second part is cot square theta. Cot square theta is what? Base by perpendicular. What is base? Base by perpendicular. Substitute the value 7 by 8 the whole square, which is equal to 49 by 64. So this is the solution for the sixth problem. So now we will move on to the seventh one. The seventh problem. Just we have to evaluate that. That's all. Cot theta they have given. Cot theta is given. Just substitute the values for the cot square theta. So this is cot square theta, and first one we finished evaluating. This is the seventh problem. Now we are move on to the eighth one. So what is the eighth problem? If 3 cot A is 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we'll see this one. Given, first what is the given data is 3 cot A. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So we can write it as cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So cot is what? Base by perpendicular, which is 4 by 3. Now let same thing we'll assume m a positive integer. So I am just taking all the variables as m here, positive integer. Similarly, here also draw a triangle with the angle right angled at. So draw a triangle ABC, right angled at the angle B. So here. Now substitute the values. What are the values here? Base means 4m, and this one is perpendicular is 3m. So now same thing as we did in the previous. Apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle A right angle A square is equal to p square plus e square. So by using or apply, using just say apply. Pythagoras theorem. Now what we get, h square is equal to, substitute for p. P is 3m square, b is 4m square. Now we get what? 9m square plus 16m square, which is 25m square. We'll get h as 5m. So this is h square, we get h as 5m. Next we have to find out tan is there in the question. Tan is equal to, we can also say it, write it as 1 by cot A. So cot is given as what? 3 by 4. Then we can write it as C1, 4 by 3 we can write. 3 goes up means 3 by 4 is cot, because we know that tan is equal to 1 by cot. After this, cot A we got cot is 3 by 4 means tan will be, cot is 4 by 3 means tan will be 3 by 4. Now we have to find out cos A. So what is cos A? Cos A is there in the question. Cos A is equal to b by h. B by h we got what is b? B is 4m and h is 5m. So we'll substitute here. Now we are getting here 5m. So 5m, 4m by 5m, cancel this m, 4 by 5 we are getting. Then sin A we have to find out. Sin A is equal to how much? P by h. So what is P here? P is 3m H is 5m, cancel m, 3 by 5. So we got tan, cos and sin everything. So now what is this? We have to substitute in the LHS. Consider LHS. That is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus what is tan square? 1 minus 3 by 4 the square. 1 plus 3 by 4 the square. Simplify this. So I'll write here 1 by 19 by 16. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 by 16. Then simplify this, will be 16 minus 9 by 16. This will be 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 cancel, then we get 16 minus 9 is 7 and 16 plus 9 is 25. Make it as equation 1. So LHS. Now what is RHS? So we'll find out next. So we'll try to finish here. RHS is consider RHS. RHS what they have given? Cos square A minus sin square A. So what is cos square A? That is 4 by 5 the square minus sin square is 3 by 5 the square, which is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So 25 is common. So what is 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. Therefore this is second. So taking this is as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Therefore write down the conclusion. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. This is the solution. Only the thing is, first to find out the cot theta they have given, then take a variable m, any positive integer or variable m, just take a right angle triangle, substitute the values and find out the another side. Since base and perpendicular was given, using Pythagoras theorem we can find out the hypotenuse. Substitute in the expression and find out the other side. H we got. Then after getting cot theta is already given, tan theta we can find out, that is 1 by cot theta. Then we got the third value, substitute it, that is the hypotenuse. Then find out cos theta, sin theta, substitute in both LHS and RHS, equate it and hence write, hence proved. So this is the solution for the question A. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.